Meaning of libido.
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 Libido. Libido is a term used in psychology and psychoanalysis to refer to a person's overall sexual drive or desire. It encompasses both the physical and psychological aspects of a person's sexuality, including their sexual fantasies, impulses, and behaviors. According to Sigmund Freud, libido is an innate psychic energy or life force that drives human behavior, and it can be directed towards sexual or non-sexual goals. While libido is often associated with sexual desire, it can also refer to a broader sense of vitality or creative energy.